My name's Laura, I work for Little Man Coffee. We've started working with Cardiff Council and we run 2 drop-ins at our first site on Bridge Street and 2 drop-ins at our second site on Tudor Lane. And it's just an open door with the council that people can come who are homeless or vulnerably housed, and they can come have some coffee, meet with people, fill in some paperwork and have helpful conversations. So it's a great thing to be part of, and we make a lot of coffee and we've got to know a lot of people, and we met Craig and he's been volunteering with us for about 2 weeks now. He was just keen to get some work experience under his belt, and he's been really helpful. He just gets stuck in straight away and doing all sorts of things really, and he's also through another avenue started, he's going to be doing his food hygiene. So obviously he's interested in working in hospitality, and we love that he's working with us and that we can show him a few things, and he's a real asset to the team. So.